구독과 좋아요 부탁드립니다.
Please subscribe and like.
폭발로 큰 화재가 발생했어요.
A large fire broke out due to the explosion.
A large fire broke out due to the explosion.
폭발로 건물이 완전히 파괴되었습니다.
The explosion completely destroyed the building.
The explosion completely destroyed the building.
사람들이 폭발 현장에서 도망쳤습니다.
People ran from the explosion site.
People ran from the explosion site.
그의 분노는 내부적으로 폭발했습니다.
His anger exploded internally.
His anger exploded internally.
소방관들이 폭발을 진압했어요.
Firefighters controlled the explosion.
Firefighters controlled the explosion.
다양한 음식이 포함되어 있습니다.
It contains various foods.
It contains various foods.
와이파이 사용이 포함되어 있습니다.
Wi-Fi usage is included.
Wi-Fi usage is included.
재미있고 감동적입니다.
It's fun and touching.
It's fun and touching.
음료는 포함되어 있지 않습니다.
Drinks are not included.
Drinks are not included.
이 책에는 많은 그림이 포함되어 있습니다.
This book includes many pictures.
This book includes many pictures.
숙박비가 포함되어 있습니다.
Accommodation costs are included.
Accommodation costs are included.
특별한 기능이 포함되어 있습니다.
It includes special features.
It includes special features.
다양한 브랜드가 포함되어 있습니다.
Various brands are included.
Various brands are included.
뷔페식 저녁 식사가 포함되어 있습니다.
A buffet dinner is included.
A buffet dinner is included.
팀원들의 참여가 포함되어야 합니다.
The participation of team members should be included.
The participation of team members should be included.
선글라스로 눈을 보호하세요.
Protect your eyes with sunglasses.
Protect your eyes with sunglasses.
자주 백업하여 데이터를 보호하세요.
Protect your data with regular backups.
Protect your data with regular backups.
헬멧으로 머리를 보호하세요.
Protect your head with a helmet.
Protect your head with a helmet.
안전장치를 사용하세요.
Please use the safety device.
Please use the safety device.
정보를 보호하기 위해 비밀번호를 설정하세요.
Set a password to protect your information.
Set a password to protect your information.
피부 보호를 위해 자외선 차단제를 사용하세요.
Use sunscreen for skin protection.
Use sunscreen for skin protection.
화재 경보기를 설치하세요.
Install a fire alarm.
Install a fire alarm.
독점 방지를 위해 규제를 시행하세요.
Enforce regulations to prevent monopolies.
Enforce regulations to prevent monopolies.
반려동물에 대한 관리를 유지하세요.
Maintain care for your pets.
Maintain care for your pets.
안전한 활동을 선택하세요.
Choose safe activities.
Choose safe activities.
저의 친구를 당신에게 소개하고 싶어요.
I would like to introduce my friend to you.
I would like to introduce my friend to you.
제 소개를 하겠습니다.
Let me introduce myself.
Let me introduce myself.
새로운 직원을 소개합니다.
Allow me to introduce you to our new employee.
Allow me to introduce you to our new employee.
매니저에게 소개해드려도 될까요?
May I introduce you to the manager?
May I introduce you to the manager?
강연자를 소개할 사람이 필요합니다.
We need someone to introduce the speaker.
We need someone to introduce the speaker.
그녀가 가장 좋아하는 책을 소개했습니다.
She introduced her favorite book.
She introduced her favorite book.
공연 전 출연자들을 소개하겠습니다.
I'll introduce the performers before the performance.
I'll introduce the performers before the performance.
팀의 새로운 규칙을 소개했습니다.
I introduced a new rule to the team.
I introduced a new rule to the team.
이 도시의 경이로움을 소개합니다.
Introducing the wonders of this city.
Introducing the wonders of this city.
수업 중에 새로운 주제를 소개했습니다.
We introduced a new topic during the class.
We introduced a new topic during the class.
농부들은 농작물을 생산합니다.
Farmers produce crops.
Farmers produce crops.
이 공장은 수출용 자동차를 생산합니다.
The factory produces cars for export.
The factory produces cars for export.
벌들은 꿀을 생산합니다.
Bees produce honey.
Bees produce honey.
나무들은 광합성을 통해 산소를 생산합니다.
Trees produce oxygen through photosynthesis.
Trees produce oxygen through photosynthesis.
기업을 위한 소프트웨어를 생산합니다.
We produce software for businesses.
We produce software for businesses.
농부들은 신선한 야채를 생산합니다.
Farmers produce fresh vegetables.
Farmers produce fresh vegetables.
회의는 아무런 성과도 없었습니다.
The meeting didn't produce any results.
The meeting didn't produce any results.
그것은 생산 비용이 너무 많이 듭니다.
It costs way too much to produce.
It costs way too much to produce.
그 모델은 더 이상 생산하지 않습니다.
We no longer produce that model.
We no longer produce that model.
우리는 주로 주문 생산을 합니다.
We mostly produce to order.
We mostly produce to order.
개는 고양이를 쫓았습니다.
The dog chased after the cat.
The dog chased after the cat.
그는 변함없이 꿈을 쫓았습니다.
He chased his dreams unwaveringly.
He chased his dreams unwaveringly.
경찰은 범인을 쫓았습니다.
The police chased the criminal.
The police chased the criminal.
아이들은 놀면서 서로를 쫓았습니다.
The children chased each other while playing.
The children chased each other while playing.
그녀는 버스를 쫓았지만 놓쳤습니다.
She chased the bus but missed it.
She chased the bus but missed it.
기쁨이 그녀의 마음에서 공포심을 말끔히 몰아냈습니다.
Joy chased all fear from her mind.
Joy chased all fear from her mind.
토끼가 개에게 쫓기고 있습니다.
A rabbit is chased by a dog.
A rabbit is chased by a dog.
경찰이 그 증거를 쫓았습니다.
The police chased after that evidence.
The police chased after that evidence.
그는 요즘 채권자들에게 쫓기고 있습니다.
He is being chased by creditors these days.
He is being chased by creditors these days.
그는 서둘러 택시를 잡고 뒤쫓아갔습니다.
He quickly caught a taxi and chased after.
He quickly caught a taxi and chased after.
고양이가 가구를 긁었습니다.
The cat scratched the furniture.
The cat scratched the furniture.
자전거에서 떨어져 팔을 긁혔습니다.
I fell off my bike and scratched my arm.
I fell off my bike and scratched my arm.
등이 가려워 긁었습니다.
I scratched my back because it was itchy.
I scratched my back because it was itchy.
저는 혼란스러워 머리를 긁적였습니다.
I scratched my head in confusion.
I scratched my head in confusion.
개가 문을 긁었습니다.
The dog scratched at the door.
The dog scratched at the door.
안경을 닦다가 긁혔습니다.
I scratched my glasses while cleaning them.
I scratched my glasses while cleaning them.
가시에 팔이 긁혔습니다.
My arm was scratched by a thorn.
My arm was scratched by a thorn.
복권을 긁었습니다.
I scratched the lottery ticket.
I scratched the lottery ticket.
차에 흠집이 났습니다.
The car got scratched.
The car got scratched.
그는 곰곰이 생각하면서 턱을 긁었습니다.
He scratched his chin as he pondered.
He scratched his chin as he pondered.
발표 중에 컴퓨터가 다운되었습니다.
The computer crashed during the presentation.
The computer crashed during the presentation.
차가 나무에 충돌했습니다.
The car crashed into a tree.
The car crashed into a tree.
그의 견해와 아버지의 견해가 충돌했습니다.
His views and his father's clashed.
His views and his father's clashed.
파도가 바위에 부딪혔습니다.
The waves crashed against the rocks.
The waves crashed against the rocks.
주식시장이 갑자기 폭락했습니다.
The stock market crashed suddenly.
The stock market crashed suddenly.
비행기가 바다에 추락했습니다.
The plane crashed into the ocean.
The plane crashed into the ocean.
그녀는 핸드폰을 떨어뜨려 망가뜨렸습니다.
She crashed her phone when she dropped it.
She crashed her phone when she dropped it.
파티는 자정에 끝났습니다.
The party crashed at midnight.
The party crashed at midnight.
사이클 선수가 경주 도중 사고를 당했습니다.
The cyclist crashed during the race.
The cyclist crashed during the race.
축구 선수가 골대에 부딪혔습니다.
The football player crashed into the goalpost.
The football player crashed into the goalpost.
그녀는 그의 눈을 바라봤어요.
She stared into his eyes.
She stared into his eyes.
낯선 사람이 나를 의아한 눈으로 쳐다봤어요.
A stranger stared at me puzzled.
A stranger stared at me puzzled.
학생들은 교수님을 멍하니 쳐다봤어요.
The students looked at the professor blankly.
The students looked at the professor blankly.
개는 주인의 눈을 쳐다봤어요.
The dog looked into the owner's eyes.
The dog looked into the owner's eyes.
그녀는 벽에 걸린 그림을 응시했습니다.
She stared at the painting on the wall.
She stared at the painting on the wall.
우리는 먼 산을 바라봤어요.
We stared at the distant mountain.
We stared at the distant mountain.
그녀는 그를 멍하니 쳐다봤어요.
She stared at him blankly.
She stared at him blankly.
그들은 믿을 수 없다는 듯이 서로를 쳐다보았습니다.
They stared at each other in disbelief.
They stared at each other in disbelief.
고양이는 신기한 듯이 쥐를 쳐다보았습니다.
The cat stared curiously at the mouse.
The cat stared curiously at the mouse.
나는 경이로운 눈으로 별을 응시했습니다.
I stared at the stars in wonder.
I stared at the stars in wonder.
그는 먼 곳을 응시했습니다.
He gazed into the distance.
He gazed into the distance.
그는 별들을 바라보았습니다.
He gazed at the stars.
He gazed at the stars.
남자는 밖을 응시하고 있습니다.
The man is staring outside.
The man is staring outside.
그의 시선은 하늘을 향했습니다.
His gaze turned to the sky.
His gaze turned to the sky.
그녀는 창밖을 내다보았습니다.
She gazed out the window.
She gazed out the window.
그는 그림을 응시했습니다.
He gazed at the painting.
He gazed at the painting.
그녀의 시선은 먼 산을 향했습니다.
Her gaze was on the distant mountains.
Her gaze was on the distant mountains.
그는 그녀의 눈을 바라보았습니다.
He gazed into her eyes.
He gazed into her eyes.
그 커플은 서로를 바라보았습니다.
The couple gazed at each other.
The couple gazed at each other.
그는 먼 지평선을 바라봤습니다.
He gazed at the distant horizon.
He gazed at the distant horizon.
그녀는 어두운 방을 무서워했습니다.
She was scared of the dark room.
She was scared of the dark room.
아이는 천둥 소리에 놀랐습니다.
The child was scared by the thunder.
The child was scared by the thunder.
나는 무서워서 비명을 질렀습니다.
I screamed because I was scared.
I screamed because I was scared.
그는 공포 영화를 보고 무서워했습니다.
He got scared watching the horror movie.
He got scared watching the horror movie.
그녀는 무서워서 숨어버렸습니다.
She hid because she was scared.
She hid because she was scared.
저는 고소공포증이 있어요.
I am scared of heights.
I am scared of heights.
그는 갑작스런 소리에 놀랐습니다.
He was scared by the sudden noise.
He was scared by the sudden noise.
그녀는 귀신 이야기로 무서워했습니다.
She was scared by the ghost story.
She was scared by the ghost story.
그들은 어둠을 두려워했습니다.
They were scared of the dark.
They were scared of the dark.
나는 무서워서 도망쳤습니다.
I ran away because I was scared.
I ran away because I was scared.
그는 급히 가방을 움켜잡았습니다.
He grabbed the bag hastily.
He grabbed the bag hastily.
아이는 과자를 손에 쥐었습니다.
The child grabbed the snack in their hand.
The child grabbed the snack in their hand.
그들은 카메라를 들고 사진을 찍었습니다.
They grabbed a camera and took pictures.
They grabbed a camera and took pictures.
그는 물병을 잡고 급히 마셨습니다.
He grabbed the water bottle and drank hastily.
He grabbed the water bottle and drank hastily.
그녀는 펜을 잡고 쓰기 시작했습니다.
She grabbed the pen and began writing.
She grabbed the pen and began writing.
그는 서둘러 택시를 잡았습니다.
He grabbed the taxi hastily.
He grabbed the taxi hastily.
그녀는 열쇠를 집어 문을 열었습니다.
She grabbed the keys and unlocked the door.
She grabbed the keys and unlocked the door.
그는 스케치북을 들고 그림을 그리기 시작했습니다.
He grabbed a sketchbook and started drawing.
He grabbed a sketchbook and started drawing.
아이는 엄마의 손을 잡았습니다.
The child grabbed their mother's hand.
The child grabbed their mother's hand.
그녀는 서둘러 마지막 기회를 잡았습니다.
She grabbed the last chance hastily.
She grabbed the last chance hastily.
경비원이 문을 지키고 있었습니다.
The guard was guarding the door.
The guard was guarding the door.
그는 자신의 개인정보를 엄격히 지키고 있습니다.
He guards his privacy fiercely.
He guards his privacy fiercely.
경호원이 스타를 지켰습니다.
The bodyguard guarded the star.
The bodyguard guarded the star.
그녀는 자신의 비밀을 지키고 있었습니다.
She was guarding her secret.
She was guarding her secret.
경비원은 밖을 주시하고 있었습니다.
The guard was watching outside.
The guard was watching outside.
그는 국경을 지키는 임무를 맡았습니다.
He was assigned to guard the border.
He was assigned to guard the border.
그들은 감옥을 지키고 있었습니다.
They were guarding the prison.
They were guarding the prison.
경호원은 대통령을 지켰습니다.
The bodyguard guarded the president.
The bodyguard guarded the president.
경비원은 손에 총을 들고 서 있었습니다.
The guard stood with a gun in hand.
The guard stood with a gun in hand.
그는 자신의 가족을 지켰습니다.
He guarded his family.
He guarded his family.
우리는 프로젝트에 대해 논의했습니다.
We discussed the project.
We discussed the project.
그들은 계획에 대해 논의했습니다.
They discussed the plan.
They discussed the plan.
우리는 새로운 아이디어에 대해 논의했습니다.
We discussed new ideas.
We discussed new ideas.
그들은 회의에서 중요한 문제들을 논의했습니다.
They discussed important issues at the meeting.
They discussed important issues at the meeting.
우리는 다음 단계에 대해 논의했습니다.
We discussed the next steps.
We discussed the next steps.
그들은 그의 제안에 대해 논의했습니다.
They discussed his proposal.
They discussed his proposal.
우리는 책의 내용에 대해 논의했습니다.
We discussed the content of the book.
We discussed the content of the book.
그들은 미래 전략에 대해 논의했습니다.
They discussed future strategies.
They discussed future strategies.
우리는 그 문제에 대한 해결책을 논의했습니다.
We discussed solutions to the problem.
We discussed solutions to the problem.
그들은 그 문제에 대해 열렬히 토론했습니다.
They discussed the issue fervently.
They discussed the issue fervently.
그는 어깨를 으쓱였습니다.
He shrugged his shoulders.
He shrugged his shoulders.
그녀는 어깨를 으쓱하고 가버렸습니다.
She shrugged and walked away.
She shrugged and walked away.
그는 대답으로 어깨를 으쓱했습니다.
He shrugged in response.
He shrugged in response.
아이는 의아한 표정으로 어깨를 으쓱했습니다.
The child shrugged with a puzzled expression.
The child shrugged with a puzzled expression.
그들은 그 상황에 대해 어깨를 으쓱했습니다.
They shrugged at the situation.
They shrugged at the situation.
그녀는 힘없이 어깨를 으쓱했습니다.
She shrugged helplessly.
She shrugged helplessly.
그는 무심하게 어깨를 으쓱했습니다.
He shrugged indifferently.
He shrugged indifferently.
그녀는 그 질문에 어깨를 으쓱했습니다.
She shrugged at the question.
She shrugged at the question.
그들은 이해할 수 없는 일에 대해 어깨를 으쓱했습니다.
They shrugged at the incomprehensible event.
They shrugged at the incomprehensible event.
그녀는 어깨를 으쓱하고 한숨을 내쉬었습니다.
She shrugged her shoulders and sighed.
She shrugged her shoulders and sighed.
그는 커피 냄새를 맡았습니다.
He sniffed his coffee.
He sniffed his coffee.
개가 지나가면서 냄새를 맡았습니다.
The dog sniffed as it passed by.
The dog sniffed as it passed by.
그녀는 냄새를 맡고 미소를 지었습니다.
She sniffed and smiled.
She sniffed and smiled.
그는 와인 냄새를 맡았습니다.
He sniffed the wine.
He sniffed the wine.
그들은 수상한 냄새를 맡았습니다.
They sniffed a suspicious odor.
They sniffed a suspicious odor.
그는 감기에 걸려 코를 훌쩍거렸습니다.
He sniffed due to having a cold.
He sniffed due to having a cold.
그녀는 냄새를 맡다가 재채기를 했습니다.
She sneezed while sniffing.
She sneezed while sniffing.
아이는 쿠키 냄새를 맡았습니다.
The child sniffed the smell of the cookie.
The child sniffed the smell of the cookie.
그는 신선한 빵 냄새를 맡았습니다.
He sniffed the smell of the fresh bread.
He sniffed the smell of the fresh bread.
그녀는 깨끗한 빨래의 냄새를 맡았습니다.
She sniffed the smell of the clean laundry.
She sniffed the smell of the clean laundry.
그녀는 비명을 지르며 달려갔습니다.
She screamed and ran.
She screamed and ran.
아이는 공포에 질려 비명을 질렀습니다.
The child screamed in terror.
The child screamed in terror.
그는 살려달라고 소리를 질렀습니다.
He screamed for help.
He screamed for help.
그들은 비명을 지르며 도망쳤습니다.
They fled screaming.
They fled screaming.
관중들은 승리를 기원하며 소리쳤습니다.
The audience cheered, wishing for victory.
The audience cheered, wishing for victory.
그는 놀라 소리쳤습니다.
He screamed in surprise.
He screamed in surprise.
아이들은 기뻐서 소리를 질렀습니다.
The kids screamed with joy.
The kids screamed with joy.
그는 큰 거미를 보고 소리쳤습니다.
He screamed when he saw a big spider.
He screamed when he saw a big spider.
그는 무서운 꿈을 꾸고 소리쳤습니다.
He screamed after having a scary dream.
He screamed after having a scary dream.
그는 불이 나서 소리쳤습니다.
He screamed because there was a fire.
He screamed because there was a fire.
공원은 아름다운 꽃으로 둘러싸여 있습니다.
The park is surrounded by beautiful flowers.
The park is surrounded by beautiful flowers.
우리는 밤하늘의 별들에 둘러싸여 있었습니다.
We were surrounded by stars at night.
We were surrounded by stars at night.
적군이 도시를 둘러쌌습니다.
The enemy surrounded the city.
The enemy surrounded the city.
공원은 나무로 둘러싸여 있습니다.
The park is surrounded by trees.
The park is surrounded by trees.
그는 친구들에게 둘러싸여 있었습니다.
He was surrounded by friends.
He was surrounded by friends.
섬은 물로 둘러싸여 있습니다.
The island is surrounded by water.
The island is surrounded by water.
주변 지역이 아름답습니다.
The surrounding area is beautiful.
The surrounding area is beautiful.
그녀는 관심에 둘러싸여 있었습니다.
She was surrounded by attention.
She was surrounded by attention.
아이들이 선생님을 둘러쌌습니다.
The children surrounded the teacher.
The children surrounded the teacher.
그녀는 주변 풍경에 감탄했습니다.
She admired the surrounding scenery.
She admired the surrounding scenery.
그는 나무를 쪼갰습니다.
He cleaved the wood.
He cleaved the wood.
칼이 고기를 갈랐습니다.
The knife cleaved the meat.
The knife cleaved the meat.
얼음이 두 조각으로 갈라졌습니다.
The ice cleaved into two pieces.
The ice cleaved into two pieces.
번개가 나무를 쪼갰습니다.
The lightning cleaved the tree.
The lightning cleaved the tree.
엄마는 빵을 정확하게 반으로 나누었습니다.
Mom cut the bread perfectly in half.
Mom cut the bread perfectly in half.
바위가 쪼개졌습니다.
The rock cleaved apart.
The rock cleaved apart.
그는 도끼로 통나무를 쪼갰습니다.
He cleaved the log with an axe.
He cleaved the log with an axe.
그 강은 도시를 둘로 갈라놓았습니다.
The river cleaved the city in two.
The river cleaved the city in two.
그는 돌을 반으로 쪼갰습니다.
He cleaved the stone in half.
He cleaved the stone in half.
빛이 어둠을 갈랐습니다.
The light cleaved through the darkness.
The light cleaved through the darkness.
그녀는 한 가지를 제외한 모든 것을 받아들였습니다.
She accepted everything except one thing.
She accepted everything except one thing.
그들은 한 가지를 제외한 모든 제안을 거부했습니다.
They rejected all proposals except one.
They rejected all proposals except one.
그는 여기서 한 권을 제외한 모든 책을 읽었습니다.
He read all the books here except one.
He read all the books here except one.
그는 한 가지 음식을 제외한 모든 음식을 좋아했습니다.
He liked all the food except one item.
He liked all the food except one item.
그들은 한 가지를 제외한 모든 계획을 변경했습니다.
They changed all the plans except one.
They changed all the plans except one.
그녀는 하나를 제외한 모든 의견을 고려했습니다.
She considered all opinions except one.
She considered all opinions except one.
나는 한 가지를 제외한 모든 작업을 완료했습니다.
I completed all tasks except one.
I completed all tasks except one.
그는 한 가지를 제외한 모든 규칙을 어겼습니다.
He broke all the rules except one.
He broke all the rules except one.
우리는 한 문제를 제외한 모든 문제를 해결했습니다.
We solved all the problems except one.
We solved all the problems except one.
그녀는 한 명을 제외한 모두를 환영했습니다.
She welcomed everyone except for one person.
She welcomed everyone except for one person.
그는 전화기를 발명했습니다.
He invented the telephone.
He invented the telephone.
그는 전구를 발명했습니다.
He invented the light bulb.
He invented the light bulb.
그들은 새로운 기술을 발명했습니다.
They invented new technology.
They invented new technology.
스티브 잡스는 아이폰을 발명했습니다.
Steve Jobs invented the iPhone.
Steve Jobs invented the iPhone.
그는 편리한 가전제품을 발명했습니다.
He invented convenient household appliances.
He invented convenient household appliances.
그들은 인공지능을 발명했습니다.
They invented artificial intelligence.
They invented artificial intelligence.
발명가들은 문제를 해결하는 데 집중합니다.
Inventors focus on solving problems.
Inventors focus on solving problems.
그들은 치료법을 발명했습니다.
They invented a cure.
They invented a cure.
발명가는 창의력을 사용했습니다.
The inventor used creativity.
The inventor used creativity.
발명은 인류의 발전에 중요한 역할을 합니다.
Invention plays a crucial role in human progress.
Invention plays a crucial role in human progress.
그는 열심히 정보를 찾고 있었습니다.
He was searching diligently for information.
He was searching diligently for information.
우리는 신규 직원을 찾고 있습니다.
We are searching for new employees.
We are searching for new employees.
그녀는 답을 찾고 있습니다.
She is searching for answers.
She is searching for answers.
우리는 새로운 집을 찾고 있습니다.
We are searching for a new home.
We are searching for a new home.
그는 잃어버린 개를 찾고 있습니다.
He is searching for his lost dog.
He is searching for his lost dog.
나는 일자리를 찾고 있습니다.
I am searching for a job.
I am searching for a job.
그들은 진실을 찾고 있습니다.
They are searching for the truth.
They are searching for the truth.
우리는 좋은 식당을 찾고 있습니다.
We are searching for a good restaurant.
We are searching for a good restaurant.
그는 온라인을 통해 정보를 찾고 있었습니다.
He was searching for information online.
He was searching for information online.
그들은 안전한 장소를 찾고 있습니다.
They are searching for a safe place.
They are searching for a safe place.
학교에서 괴롭힘이 있었습니다.
There was abuse at school.
There was abuse at school.
아동학대는 심각한 문제입니다.
Child abuse is a serious issue.
Child abuse is a serious issue.
그는 동물을 학대했습니다.
He abused animals.
He abused animals.
가정폭력은 범죄입니다.
Domestic abuse is a crime.
Domestic abuse is a crime.
그녀는 말로 상처를 주었습니다.
She hurt others with her words.
She hurt others with her words.
그들은 시스템을 악용했습니다.
They abused the system.
They abused the system.
그녀는 신뢰를 악용했습니다.
She abused the trust.
She abused the trust.
그녀는 술을 남용했습니다.
She abused alcohol.
She abused alcohol.
그는 약물을 남용했습니다.
He abused drugs.
He abused drugs.
그는 권력을 남용했습니다.
He abused his power.
He abused his power.
저는 친구에게 돈을 빚지고 있습니다.
I owe money to my friend.
I owe money to my friend.
그는 은행에 돈을 빚졌습니다.
He owes money to the bank.
He owes money to the bank.
그는 저에게 $20를 빚졌습니다.
He owes me $20.
He owes me $20.
그녀는 저에게 사과할 의무가 있습니다.
She owes me an apology.
She owes me an apology.
당신은 그녀에게 설명할 의무가 있습니다.
You owe her an explanation.
You owe her an explanation.
그들은 저에게 많은 빚을 졌습니다.
They owe me a lot.
They owe me a lot.
그는 내 생명의 은인입니다.
I owe him my life.
I owe him my life.
그녀의 성공은 부모님 덕분입니다.
She owes her success to her parents.
She owes her success to her parents.
그는 나에게 답을 줄 필요가 있습니다.
He owes me an answer.
He owes me an answer.
우리는 그들을 도울 의무가 있습니다.
We owe it to them to help.
We owe it to them to help.
당신의 마음이 항상 축복받길 바랍니다.
May your heart always be blessed.
May your heart always be blessed.
우리 가족은 축복받았습니다.
Our family is blessed.
Our family is blessed.
축복받는 하루 되세요.
Have a blessed day.
Have a blessed day.
우리는 축복받은 날씨를 즐겼습니다.
We enjoyed blessed weather.
We enjoyed blessed weather.
그는 축복받은 재능을 가지고 있습니다.
He has a blessed talent.
He has a blessed talent.
당신은 나에게 축복입니다.
You are a blessing to me.
You are a blessing to me.
우리는 식사 전 기도했습니다.
We bless the meal before eating.
We bless the meal before eating.
이 아이는 축복받은 아이입니다.
This child is a blessed child.
This child is a blessed child.
우리 모두는 축복받은 것에 감사해야 합니다.
We should all be thankful for our blessings.
We should all be thankful for our blessings.
그들은 결혼식을 축복했습니다.
They blessed the wedding.
They blessed the wedding.
그는 대학을 졸업했습니다.
He graduated from college.
He graduated from college.
그녀는 고등학교를 졸업했습니다.
She graduated from high school.
She graduated from high school.
우리는 모두 함께 졸업했습니다.
We all graduated together.
We all graduated together.
그는 의대를 졸업했습니다.
He graduated from medical school.
He graduated from medical school.
그들은 동시에 졸업했습니다.
They graduated at the same time.
They graduated at the same time.
졸업식은 언제인가요?
When is the graduation ceremony?
When is the graduation ceremony?
졸업 후 계획이 있나요?
Do you have plans after graduation?
Do you have plans after graduation?
그녀는 작년에 졸업했습니다.
She graduated last year.
She graduated last year.
졸업식에서 연설을 했습니다.
I gave a speech at the graduation.
I gave a speech at the graduation.
졸업을 위해 열심히 공부했습니다.
I studied hard for graduation.
I studied hard for graduation.
전구를 교체해 주세요.
Please replace the light bulb.
Please replace the light bulb.
배터리를 교체해야 합니다.
You need to replace the battery.
You need to replace the battery.
내일 타이어를 교체할 겁니다.
I will replace the tires tomorrow.
I will replace the tires tomorrow.
손상된 창문을 교체하겠습니다.
I will replace the damaged window.
I will replace the damaged window.
필터를 교체해 주세요.
Please change the filter.
Please change the filter.
우리는 교체할 부품이 필요합니다.
We need replacement parts.
We need replacement parts.
기계를 교체할 시간이 되었어요.
It's time to replace the machine.
It's time to replace the machine.
우리는 냉장고를 교체했습니다.
We replaced the refrigerator.
We replaced the refrigerator.
오래된 컴퓨터를 교체하세요.
Replace the old computer.
Replace the old computer.
에어컨 필터를 교체하세요.
Change the air conditioner filter.
Change the air conditioner filter.
그는 동전을 수집하고 있습니다.
He collects coins.
He collects coins.
그녀는 우표를 수집합니다.
She collects stamps.
She collects stamps.
우리는 오래된 책들을 수집합니다.
We collect old books.
We collect old books.
그들은 예술 작품을 수집합니다.
They collect artworks.
They collect artworks.
그는 도자기를 수집합니다.
He collects pottery.
He collects pottery.
그녀는 미니어처를 수집합니다.
She collects miniatures.
She collects miniatures.
제 친구는 만화책을 수집합니다.
My friend collects comic books.
My friend collects comic books.
그녀는 인형을 수집합니다.
She collects dolls.
She collects dolls.
그는 오래된 지도들을 수집합니다.
He collects old maps.
He collects old maps.
그는 모형 자동차를 수집합니다.
He collects model cars.
He collects model cars.
그는 매우 속상해 보입니다.
He looks very upset.
He looks very upset.
그녀는 나에게 화가 났습니다.
She is upset with me.
She is upset with me.
나는 그 소식에 기분이 상했습니다.
I was upset by the news.
I was upset by the news.
그들은 경기에서 패배하여 화가 났습니다.
They were upset about losing the game.
They were upset about losing the game.
그것은 정말로 나를 화나게 합니다.
That really upsets me.
That really upsets me.
그는 시험 결과에 대해 속상해했습니다.
He was upset about his test results.
He was upset about his test results.
나는 그의 말에 화가 났습니다.
I was upset by his words.
I was upset by his words.
그녀는 그의 거짓말에 화가 났습니다.
She was upset by his lies.
She was upset by his lies.
나는 그 소문에 기분이 상했습니다.
I was upset by the rumor.
I was upset by the rumor.
나는 그의 태도에 화가 났습니다.
I was upset by his attitude.
I was upset by his attitude.
경찰은 범인을 체포했습니다.
The police arrested the criminal.
The police arrested the criminal.
그는 절도죄로 체포되었습니다.
He was arrested for theft.
He was arrested for theft.
그녀는 음주운전으로 체포되었습니다.
She was arrested for drunk driving.
She was arrested for drunk driving.
그들은 불법 행위로 체포되었습니다.
They were arrested for illegal activities.
They were arrested for illegal activities.
그는 마약 거래로 체포되었습니다.
He was arrested for drug dealing.
He was arrested for drug dealing.
그들은 폭력 행위로 체포되었습니다.
They were arrested for acts of violence.
They were arrested for acts of violence.
그는 부정부패로 인해 체포되었습니다.
He was arrested for corruption.
He was arrested for corruption.
경찰은 범인을 체포하려고 노력했습니다.
The police tried to arrest the culprit.
The police tried to arrest the culprit.
그녀는 사기죄로 체포되었습니다.
She was arrested for fraud.
She was arrested for fraud.
체포된 사람들은 구속되어 있습니다.
The arrested individuals are in custody.
The arrested individuals are in custody.
나는 내가 옳다는 것을 증명할 것입니다.
I will prove I am right.
I will prove I am right.
그 증거는 그가 무죄라는 것을 증명했습니다.
The evidence proved he was innocent.
The evidence proved he was innocent.
그녀는 자신의 가치를 증명했습니다.
She proved her worth.
She proved her worth.
실험 결과는 이론을 증명했습니다.
The experiment results proved the theory.
The experiment results proved the theory.
그의 행동은 그의 용기를 증명했습니다.
His actions proved his bravery.
His actions proved his bravery.
제 능력을 증명해야 합니다.
I need to prove my ability.
I need to prove my ability.
그녀는 성공할 수 있음을 증명했습니다.
She proved she could succeed.
She proved she could succeed.
그의 말이 옳다는 것이 증명되었습니다.
His words proved to be correct.
His words proved to be correct.
그는 자신의 기술을 증명했습니다.
He proved his skill.
He proved his skill.
우리는 그의 이야기가 사실임을 증명했습니다.
We proved his story was true.
We proved his story was true.
그는 화가 나서 소리를 질렀습니다.
He yelled in anger.
He yelled in anger.
아이들은 기뻐서 소리를 질렀습니다.
The children yelled with joy.
The children yelled with joy.
그녀는 도와달라고 소리쳤습니다.
She yelled for help.
She yelled for help.
그는 경고하며 소리쳤습니다.
He yelled a warning.
He yelled a warning.
그들은 크게 소리를 질렀습니다.
They yelled loudly.
They yelled loudly.
그들은 화가 나서 서로에게 소리를 질렀습니다.
They yelled at each other in anger.
They yelled at each other in anger.
그녀는 공포에 질려 소리를 질렀습니다.
She yelled in terror.
She yelled in terror.
그는 음악에 흥분해 소리를 질렀습니다.
He yelled in excitement at the music.
He yelled in excitement at the music.
그들은 무례하게 소리를 질렀습니다.
They yelled rudely.
They yelled rudely.
친구들은 놀라서 소리를 질렀습니다.
The friends yelled in surprise.
The friends yelled in surprise.
나는 침착함을 유지하려고 노력했습니다.
I tried to remain calm.
I tried to remain calm.
그녀는 계속 앉아 있었습니다.
She remained seated.
She remained seated.
그 문제는 여전히 해결되지 않았습니다.
The issue remains unresolved.
The issue remains unresolved.
우리는 여전히 좋은 친구로 남아 있습니다.
We remain good friends.
We remain good friends.
나는 방에 혼자 남아 있었습니다.
I remained alone in the room.
I remained alone in the room.
그는 긍정적인 태도를 유지했습니다.
He remained positive.
He remained positive.
그들은 어려운 상황에서도 침착함을 유지했습니다.
They remained calm in difficult situations.
They remained calm in difficult situations.
우리는 한동안 그곳에 머물렀습니다.
We remained there for a while.
We remained there for a while.
아직 해야 할 일이 많이 남아 있습니다.
Many tasks remain to be done.
Many tasks remain to be done.
그 집은 빈 채로 남아 있었습니다.
The house remained vacant.
The house remained vacant.
경찰은 용의자를 제지했습니다.
The police halted the suspect.
The police halted the suspect.
우리는 진행을 멈추고 대화를 시작했습니다.
We halted our progress and started a conversation.
We halted our progress and started a conversation.
군인들은 전진을 멈추었습니다.
The soldiers halted their advance.
The soldiers halted their advance.
그들은 노래를 멈추고 잠시 침묵했습니다.
They halted their singing and fell silent for a moment.
They halted their singing and fell silent for a moment.
차량이 급정거했습니다.
The vehicle came to a sudden halt.
The vehicle came to a sudden halt.
그녀는 걸음을 멈추었습니다.
She halted her steps.
She halted her steps.
차가 도로 한가운데에 멈춰 섰습니다.
The car halted in the middle of the road.
The car halted in the middle of the road.
작업이 갑자기 중단되었습니다.
The work was suddenly halted.
The work was suddenly halted.
그의 이야기는 갑자기 중단되었습니다.
His story was abruptly halted.
His story was abruptly halted.
비행기가 이륙을 멈췄습니다.
The plane halted its takeoff.
The plane halted its takeoff.
물 새는 소리가 들렸습니다.
I heard the sound of water leaking.
I heard the sound of water leaking.
파이프가 새고 있습니다.
The pipe is leaking.
The pipe is leaking.
연료가 새고 있습니다.
The fuel is leaking.
The fuel is leaking.
지붕에 물이 셉니다.
There is a leak in the roof.
There is a leak in the roof.
수도꼭지에서 물이 새고 있습니다.
The faucet is leaking water.
The faucet is leaking water.
가스가 새고 있습니다.
The gas is leaking.
The gas is leaking.
배터리에서 전기가 새고 있습니다.
The battery is leaking electricity.
The battery is leaking electricity.
타이어에서 공기가 새고 있습니다.
The tire is leaking air.
The tire is leaking air.
차에서 기름이 새고 있습니다.
The car is leaking oil.
The car is leaking oil.
지하실에 물이 새고 있습니다.
Water is leaking in the basement.
Water is leaking in the basement.
그는 긴급 상황에서 침착하게 행동했습니다.
He behaved calmly in the emergency.
He behaved calmly in the emergency.
그들은 항상 예의 바르게 행동합니다.
They always behave politely.
They always behave politely.
그녀는 수업 시간에 행동을 잘했습니다.
She behaved well during class.
She behaved well during class.
그는 다른 사람들 앞에서 예의 바르게 행동합니다.
He behaves politely in front of others.
He behaves politely in front of others.
이 상황에서 어떻게 행동해야 하나요?
How should I behave in this situation?
How should I behave in this situation?
그녀는 항상 예의 바르게 행동합니다.
She always behaves politely.
She always behaves politely.
그는 항상 나이에 맞게 행동합니다.
He always behaves his age.
He always behaves his age.
이 상황에서는 침착하게 행동해야 합니다.
You should behave calmly in this situation.
You should behave calmly in this situation.
어떻게 행동해야 하는지 배워야 합니다.
You need to learn how to behave.
You need to learn how to behave.
그는 항상 공공장소에서 잘 행동합니다.
He always behaves well in public places.
He always behaves well in public places.
그들은 잃어버린 개를 찾을 수 있었습니다.
They were able to locate the lost dog.
They were able to locate the lost dog.
그는 나에게 호텔의 위치를 알려주었습니다.
He located the hotel for me.
He located the hotel for me.
나는 그 건물을 쉽게 찾았습니다.
I easily located the building.
I easily located the building.
우리는 최적의 캠핑 장소를 찾았습니다.
We located the best camping spot.
We located the best camping spot.
나는 차 열쇠를 찾을 수 없습니다.
I can't locate my car keys.
I can't locate my car keys.
그 팀은 문제를 신속하게 찾아냈습니다.
The team quickly located the problem.
The team quickly located the problem.
그는 도서관을 찾았습니다.
He located the library.
He located the library.
상자를 찾는데 시간이 좀 걸렸습니다.
It took me some time to locate the box.
It took me some time to locate the box.
배터리를 충전하겠습니다.
I will charge the battery.
I will charge the battery.
그녀는 기꺼이 이 일을 맡았습니다.
She willingly took charge of this job.
She willingly took charge of this job.
그들은 나에게 너무 많은 요금을 청구했습니다.
They charged me too much.
They charged me too much.
이 서비스는 무료입니다.
This service is free of charge.
This service is free of charge.
신용카드로 결제하겠습니까?
Will you charge it to your credit card?
Will you charge it to your credit card?
그는 나를 향해 달려왔습니다.
He charged at me.
He charged at me.
휴대폰을 충전해야 합니다.
I need to charge my phone.
I need to charge my phone.
저는 그 일을 맡고 있습니다.
I am in charge of that task.
I am in charge of that task.
우리는 전기차를 충전할 곳을 찾고 있습니다.
We are looking for a place to charge the electric car.
We are looking for a place to charge the electric car.
배터리가 얼마 남지 않았습니다.
The battery is low on charge.
The battery is low on charge.
리뷰를 작성하세요.
Write a review.
Write a review.
저는 영화 리뷰를 읽었습니다.
I read a movie review.
I read a movie review.
그녀는 리뷰가 마음에 들지 않았습니다.
She didn't like the review.
She didn't like the review.
그는 책 리뷰를 작성했습니다.
He wrote a book review.
He wrote a book review.
리뷰는 긍정적이었습니다.
The review was positive.
The review was positive.
제품 리뷰를 확인하세요.
Check the product review.
Check the product review.
저는 리뷰를 확인했습니다.
I checked the review.
I checked the review.
리뷰가 도움이 되었습니다.
The review was helpful.
The review was helpful.
영화는 좋은 평가를 받았습니다.
The movie received good reviews.
The movie received good reviews.
리뷰가 도움이 될 것입니다.
The review will be helpful.
The review will be helpful.
그는 제안을 거절했습니다.
He refused the offer.
He refused the offer.
그녀는 책임을 거부했습니다.
She refused the responsibility.
She refused the responsibility.
아이는 음식을 거부했습니다.
The child refused the food.
The child refused the food.
그들은 대화를 거부했습니다.
They refused to talk.
They refused to talk.
저는 도움을 거절했습니다.
I refused the help.
I refused the help.
우리는 참여를 거부했습니다.
We refused to participate.
We refused to participate.
그는 사과를 거부했습니다.
He refused the apology.
He refused the apology.
그녀는 그 일을 거절했습니다.
She refused the job.
She refused the job.
그는 제 도움을 거절했습니다.
He refused my help.
He refused my help.
그들은 제 요청을 거절했습니다.
They refused my request.
They refused my request.
우리는 불평할 이유가 없습니다.
We have no reason to complain.
We have no reason to complain.
그는 음식에 대해 불평했습니다.
He complained about the food.
He complained about the food.
나는 서비스에 대해 불평했습니다.
I complained about the service.
I complained about the service.
그녀는 날씨에 대해 불평했습니다.
She complained about the weather.
She complained about the weather.
불평하는 것은 도움이 되지 않습니다.
Complaining doesn't help.
Complaining doesn't help.
그들은 항상 무언가에 대해 불평합니다.
They always complain about something.
They always complain about something.
그들은 우리에게 불평했습니다.
They complain to us.
They complain to us.
나는 남기로 결정했습니다.
I decided to remain.
I decided to remain.
그는 침착함을 유지했습니다.
He remained calm.
He remained calm.
그녀는 마지막까지 그곳에 있었습니다.
She remained there until the end.
She remained there until the end.
그녀는 침묵을 지켰습니다.
She remained silent.
She remained silent.
문제는 여전히 해결되지 않았습니다.
The problem remains unsolved.
The problem remains unsolved.
비는 하루 종일 그치지 않았습니다.
The rain remained all day.
The rain remained all day.
저는 자리에 남아 있었습니다.
I remained in my seat.
I remained in my seat.
몇몇 질문이 남아 있습니다.
Some questions remain.
Some questions remain.
그는 끝까지 충성스러웠습니다.
He remained loyal till the end.
He remained loyal till the end.
거의 변하지 않았습니다.
It remained almost unchanged.
It remained almost unchanged.
다가오는 악천후에 대해 경고합니다.
I warn you about the bad weather coming.
I warn you about the bad weather coming.
저는 길이 미끄럽다고 경고했습니다.
I warned that the road was slippery.
I warned that the road was slippery.
저는 그들에게 조심하라고 경고했어요.
I warned them to be cautious.
I warned them to be cautious.
그는 저에게 위험하다고 경고했어요.
He warned me about the danger.
He warned me about the danger.
저는 바닥이 젖어 있다고 경고했습니다.
I warned that the floor was wet.
I warned that the floor was wet.
그녀는 저에게 무리하지 말라고 경고했어요.
She warned me not to overwork.
She warned me not to overwork.
저는 그녀에게 과속하지 말라고 경고했어요.
I warned her not to speed.
I warned her not to speed.
그는 저에게 밤에 문을 꼭 잠그라고 경고했어요.
He warned me to lock the doors at night.
He warned me to lock the doors at night.
저는 그에게 너무 많이 먹지 말라고 경고했어요.
I warned him not to eat too much.
I warned him not to eat too much.
그녀는 저에게 늦지 말라고 경고했어요.
She warned me not to be late.
She warned me not to be late.
그는 허리를 굽혀 인사했습니다.
He bent down to bow.
He bent down to bow.
그녀는 허리를 굽혔습니다.
She bent her back.
She bent her back.
저는 몸을 굽혀 물건을 집었습니다.
I bent down to pick it up.
I bent down to pick it up.
저는 종이를 반으로 접었습니다.
I bent the paper in half.
I bent the paper in half.
그는 나뭇가지를 구부렸습니다.
He bent the branch.
He bent the branch.
구부리지 마세요.
Don't bend it.
Don't bend it.
바람이 나무를 휘게 했습니다.
The wind bent the tree.
The wind bent the tree.
그녀는 무릎을 굽혔습니다.
She bent her knees.
She bent her knees.
저는 철사를 구부렸습니다.
I bent the wire.
I bent the wire.
차가 모퉁이를 돌아갔습니다.
The car bent around the corner.
The car bent around the corner.
그는 편두통에 시달리고 있습니다.
He suffers from migraines.
He suffers from migraines.
그녀는 불면증에 시달립니다.
She suffers from insomnia.
She suffers from insomnia.
저는 추위에 시달렸습니다.
I suffered from the cold.
I suffered from the cold.
그녀는 어린 시절에 많은 상처를 받았습니다.
She suffered a lot during her childhood.
She suffered a lot during her childhood.
그는 스트레스에 시달립니다.
He suffers from stress.
He suffers from stress.
그는 계속해서 허리 통증을 앓고 있습니다.
He continues to suffer from back pain.
He continues to suffer from back pain.
우리는 긴 대기 시간을 겪었습니다.
We suffered through long waiting times.
We suffered through long waiting times.
나는 자주 불안에 시달립니다.
I often suffer from anxiety.
I often suffer from anxiety.
그는 교통사고로 심하게 다쳤습니다.
He suffered serious injuries in the car accident.
He suffered serious injuries in the car accident.
그들은 전쟁의 상처를 입었습니다.
They suffered the scars of war.
They suffered the scars of war.
속삭이지 마세요.
Don't whisper.
Don't whisper.
그는 내게 비밀을 속삭였습니다.
He whispered a secret to me.
He whispered a secret to me.
그녀는 조용히 속삭였습니다.
She whispered quietly.
She whispered quietly.
누군가 내 귀에 속삭였어요.
Someone whispered in my ear.
Someone whispered in my ear.
너무 크게 속삭였어요.
You whispered too loudly.
You whispered too loudly.
그들은 서로 속삭였습니다.
They whispered to each other.
They whispered to each other.
아이들이 속삭이고 있어요.
The kids are whispering.
The kids are whispering.
그는 나를 부르면서 속삭였습니다.
He whispered while calling me.
He whispered while calling me.
그는 무언가를 속삭였어요.
He whispered something.
He whispered something.
선생님은 우리에게 조용히 속삭였습니다.
The teacher quietly whispered to us.
The teacher quietly whispered to us.
손님을 위해 방을 준비해요.
Prepare the room for the guest.
Prepare the room for the guest.
저녁 식사를 준비할게요.
I will prepare dinner.
I will prepare dinner.
프레젠테이션을 준비해야 해요.
I need to prepare the presentation.
I need to prepare the presentation.
출발할 준비를 하세요.
Prepare to leave.
Prepare to leave.
시험에 대비해 공부를 준비하세요.
Prepare your studies for the exam.
Prepare your studies for the exam.
여행을 위해 짐을 싸세요.
Prepare your luggage for the trip.
Prepare your luggage for the trip.
보고서를 작성하기 전에 준비하세요.
Prepare before writing the report.
Prepare before writing the report.
긴 여정을 위해 마음의 준비하세요.
Prepare your mind for a long journey.
Prepare your mind for a long journey.
큰 발표를 준비 중이에요.
I'm preparing for a big presentation.
I'm preparing for a big presentation.
손님 맞이를 위해 음식을 준비하세요.
Prepare the food for the guests.
Prepare the food for the guests.
자동차가 빠르게 도로를 질주했습니다.
The car roared down the highway.
The car roared down the highway.
그들은 크게 웃음을 터뜨렸습니다.
They roared with laughter.
They roared with laughter.
엔진 소리가 요란했습니다.
The engine roared loudly.
The engine roared loudly.
관중이 경기에서 환호성을 질렀습니다.
The crowd roared at the game.
The crowd roared at the game.
야구장에서 팬들이 소리쳤습니다.
The fans roared in the baseball stadium.
The fans roared in the baseball stadium.
그녀는 화가 나서 소리를 질렀습니다.
She roared in anger.
She roared in anger.
강아지가 사납게 보이려고 큰 소리로 짖었습니다.
The puppy roared, trying to sound fierce.
The puppy roared, trying to sound fierce.
밤하늘에 천둥이 요란하게 울렸습니다.
Thunder roared in the night sky.
Thunder roared in the night sky.
불길이 하늘로 치솟으며 타올랐습니다.
The fire roared into the sky.
The fire roared into the sky.
그는 농담을 듣고 폭소를 터뜨렸습니다.
He roared at the joke.
He roared at the joke.
그 공이 공중에 떠 있습니다.
The ball is floating in the air.
The ball is floating in the air.
그 연이 하늘에 떠 있습니다.
The kite is floating in the sky.
The kite is floating in the sky.
비누 거품이 천천히 떠오릅니다.
The soap bubbles float slowly.
The soap bubbles float slowly.
풍선이 공중에 떠 있습니다.
The balloon floats in the air.
The balloon floats in the air.
당신의 생각이 내 머릿속에 떠 있습니다.
Your thoughts float in my mind.
Your thoughts float in my mind.
구름이 산 위에 떠 있습니다.
The cloud floats above the mountain.
The cloud floats above the mountain.
얼음이 유리잔에 떠 있습니다.
The ice cube floats in the glass.
The ice cube floats in the glass.
먼지가 햇빛 속에 떠다닙니다.
The dust floats in the sunlight.
The dust floats in the sunlight.
어망이 물 위에 떠 있습니다.
The fishing net floats on the water.
The fishing net floats on the water.
그들은 바다 위를 떠다니고 있습니다.
They are floating on the sea.
They are floating on the sea.
그녀는 상자를 끌었습니다.
She dragged the box.
She dragged the box.
그는 무거운 가방을 끌었습니다.
He dragged the heavy bag.
He dragged the heavy bag.
아이들이 스케이트보드를 끌고 갔습니다.
The kids dragged the skateboard.
The kids dragged the skateboard.
그는 고장난 자전거를 끌고 갔습니다.
He dragged the broken bicycle.
He dragged the broken bicycle.
그는 길게 얘기하는 것에 지쳤습니다.
He was tired of the dragged out talk.
He was tired of the dragged out talk.
그들은 무거운 카트를 언덕 위로 끌었습니다.
They dragged the heavy cart up the hill.
They dragged the heavy cart up the hill.
그는 발을 질질 끌었습니다.
He dragged his feet.
He dragged his feet.
차가 눈 속에서 끌리듯 움직였습니다.
The car dragged through the snow.
The car dragged through the snow.
그녀는 지친 몸을 침대까지 끌고 갔습니다.
She dragged her tired body to the bed.
She dragged her tired body to the bed.
그녀는 큰 상자를 끌어야 했습니다.
She had to drag the big box.
She had to drag the big box.
그녀는 비밀을 엿들었어요.
She overheard a secret.
She overheard a secret.
나는 그들의 대화를 엿들었어요.
I overheard their conversation.
I overheard their conversation.
그는 중요한 정보를 엿들었어요.
He overheard important information.
He overheard important information.
그녀는 부모님의 대화를 엿들었어요.
She overheard her parents' conversation.
She overheard her parents' conversation.
나는 우연히 대화를 엿들었어요.
I overheard a conversation by chance.
I overheard a conversation by chance.
그는 지하철에서 대화를 엿들었어요.
He overheard a conversation on the subway.
He overheard a conversation on the subway.
그녀는 거리에서 대화를 엿들었어요.
She overheard a conversation on the street.
She overheard a conversation on the street.
그녀는 회의 중 대화를 엿들었어요.
She overheard a conversation during a meeting.
She overheard a conversation during a meeting.
그는 친구들의 대화를 엿들었어요.
He overheard his friend's conversation.
He overheard his friend's conversation.
저는 사무실에서 대화를 엿들었어요.
I overheard a conversation in the office.
I overheard a conversation in the office.